What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, a simple install. We're going to be installing this Gobi ladder onto this GX470. I don't see anyone doing this on YouTube. They see 4Runners and I see other trucks, but I don't see the GX470. So it's pretty easy. Gobi makes it pretty easy to the point where you can just follow the instructions and you go from there. So first thing you got to do, unpackage everything. Then you grab a measuring tape and you measure from this rubber trim here to here, 4 3/8. Once you do that, put a piece of tape. That way you know your mark. This is my mark here. You're gonna grab your first bracket. You're gonna grab your first bracket, which is this one here. Has double-sided tape here. You're gonna line it up to where pretty much goes like this on your door. Okay, so this is back of the door here, the GX. You gotta put it on there. All right. So what I did was I closed the door. You line it up like so. That's your set point, okay, for the top bracket. Now we're gonna put the ladder on top. Maybe put a nut on there, on these bolts, so we can kind of have some stability. So I set the ladder just on top of the bolts there. So you grab one of these washers that are like neoprene coated, lock washer, and then you grab a nut and you put it on here. I'm not screwing it down all the way. Just want to kind of have something on top there so it doesn't move around too much. Like so. So washer, lock washer, and a nut. So now we gotta level it. Best thing you do, grab a level, set it to the side, level it. But for me, unfortunately I don't have one here. I'm gonna use the license plate, like so. License plate frame to keep it as straight as possible. And once I do that, put another tape mark down here so I can put my other bracket. So I made my marking to keep it as straight as possible. And there's some double sticky tape on the behind this bracket. So I'm gonna take that off and set it in place. So that way you have a set ladder when it comes to up and down, side to side. After that, we install this one on the back. And I'll show you guys how to do that. Pretty simple. And after that, you tighten everything down and you're done. It's pretty simple. Like I said, I ended up marking my spot there. I took off the double-sided tape from this side. And there's an inside part, same. It's a little strip, and the other side has like a little aluminum backing. So what it does is that it clamps down using this other bracket, like so, and you tighten the other side with the bolts that it comes with, which are these right here, like so. And there you have it. Everything's tightened down. Both of these, the ones in the back, using the supplied Allen with 3/8, and then the top bolt as well. If you ever see, those are 1/2 inch. Pretty happy with the result overall. So here's the finished product of the ladder. Got dark on me. Ended up bolting it completely on. This thing is super solid. It ain't going anywhere. Ended up cutting up the bumper. I don't know if you guys saw, but I actually had I had a rock on this side, so ended up cutting the bumper as well, trimming it down. But the ladder looks really good. Climbed it a couple times already. It's pretty solid. Good product by Gobi. Easy install. Not a bad deal. Thanks for watching.